Hello guys and parents, these are the homeworks for this week. We got two worksheets. In the worksheet number 1, you're gonna work in the past simple tense. In the number 1 says fill in the sentences with the correct form, past simple of the appropriate verb, and then match the sentences to the picture. Like in the example, number 1, Mom washed up after lunch. And you're gonna put the number in the picture, okay? In the number 2, fill in the sentences with the correct form, past simple of the appropriate verb, and then match the sentences to the picture. The number 1 is the example. Daisy skipped the rope in the garden, and you're gonna put the number in the correct picture. In the worksheet number 2, we're gonna work with irregular verbs in past simple. In the number 1, we got an example. You're gonna fill in the gaps with the right form of the verbs in brackets. This verb, and you're gonna write it in their past form. Daisy brought some chocolates to the birthday party. And the number 2, here, the past, heard. I heard a new song on the radio. And that's all the homeworks for this week. Take care and goodbye, guys.